old part of the house.
Oh, a nice fireplace. You gonna keep it? No. Yep, that sounds like a good idea.
So I'm thinking about swapping it over, getting this kitchen.
The units aren't too bad, are they?
So this is the high ceiling, and I think that in the 70s these were derelict, and they were bought up by Melvin Dames, who's an estate agent. And I think he took Ginny's out and he put this extension on here, so that's why it's the lowest ceiling.
Right.
It's got these nap beams.
All right, Liz.
I'm all right.
How are you?
Lovely to see. Well, I need yeah, but it's a massive garden actually.
It is, isn't it?
Got going. Roof extension, that was I think the 70s, so you can tell the brickwork, imperial sort of style bricks, and then so I think take it back to the library for it. Yeah. A bit harsh.
Sticks out a bit, yes, I know I am.
The kind of probably second main bedroom. I think we'll probably block that off, and we might move the door and put the door here. And
Makes sense, doesn't it?
This would then be a walk-in wardrobe sort of thing shared
Yeah.
between